the garage. I'm Rich. So today we're back on the little Honda CB450. I'm going to continue dismantling it, ready to take the frame to the powder coaters. So last time we tackled the majority of the back end. I've left the wheels on for now because I want to have it rolling whilst I drop the engine. We'll remove the wiring loom from the rear. Battery box and everything is out, boxed up, ready to go to be powder coated too. So today's plan is to take care of the front end. So I'm going to continue first and remove the wiring loom. So we're going to have the headlamp off and take all the wire out of there. Hopefully remove the handlebars as well. Moving round to coils, etc. We'll have all of that off. We'll strip all the bike back from here to the front. So hopefully by the end of this afternoon, we'll be ready to drop the engine. Okay, let's get stuck in. So let's take the headlamp off first. We've got 3 JS screws holding the headlight bucket. The headlamp into the bucket. Okay, so green, blue and white is the headlamp connection. So it's just on these 3 pins here. So there we go. Take that off, put that safe. This is a replacement halogen. The original incandescent, not overly bright, not overly reliable. So this is a halogen replacement headlamp. Now within here you can see the actual snake pit of wires. So basically these are the wires. These are the wires that come from both handlebar switches, from the turn signals, the headlight, everything kind of terminates in here. So slowly unpeel these, and we might be somewhere near being able to take the wiring loom off. Okay, headlight bucket off. So there's the main wiring harness. Okay, split the front so it sits in the headlight bucket. That goes to the back and connects the rear harness. Then you've got all the coils and switchgear there, and the key. The other wires that we've got left on here come from the handlebars. So that's this big one. So it's these 2, they come from the handlebars. Okay, both those are the switches. That's a little one there for the main beam indicator, and then the rest of the wiring comes from the tachometer. Okay, and this is the one that's got the indicator light on it, and it's got the neutral switch light on it as well. So there we go. Not too long a job, maybe about an hour and a half, and I have stripped and removed the loom from the front, headlight bucket, the whole lot. I've drained the brake line of brake fluid. The caliper still has fluid in it, but I'm hopefully going to remove that very gently and try and keep that in. Carburetors are off. Clutch cable, throttle cable, all the electrical components, etc. off. The exhaust, that was just the last job I was doing there. The exhaust is all off. So there we go. So in order to take the engine out of the frame, we've got brackets up here, mounting brackets down here, big mounting brackets down here as well. And in order to do that, all I need to do is take off the foot pegs, the kickstand on the other side, disconnect the starter. So kickstand here, take these off, brake pedal off, and it will just come out. I will be laying it on its side. I've got a big car tyre that I'll drop the bike onto, and then lift the wheel and the frame off the engine when I'm done. So we're one step closer. Short video today, but hopefully you found that interesting. So this is everything that I've removed so far. So the speedo, tacho, all the electrical components, etc, etc. Carburetors are there. Now I'm going to strip, ultrasonic clean these again, just to be sure. I think probably the tank had got a bit of gunk that's got into those, so just to be sure, I'm going to make sure all the passages, etc, are clear. These are Kine, I don't know if you can see there, Kine carbs. These are interesting. They've got no rubber vacuum on them. It's quite an interesting design, so I'll dig into that in another video. So here I've been collecting components that I want to be powder coated. So the battery box, the frame for the rear light, the headlight bucket. I don't know, I might need to strip and spray paint that one again, with it being plastic. That probably won't powder coat very well. Other bits that are still left on the bike that will be going the same will be the chain guard, the toolbox, the centre stand, the side stand, and the footrests. All of that will be powder coated, including hopefully top and bottom yokes. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and leave a comment. Consider subscribing down below. I'll catch you next time when we take the engine out. Bye for now.